March 2020, it's a time those living through will never forget. That's when the COVID-19 pandemic was declared, and with it, our daily lives drastically changed. March 27th is when Kern County marked the very first COVID-19 related death. Last year, 23 ABC's Lezla Gooden spoke exclusively with the family after their loss, and now, a year later, she's catching up with them again.
Her name was Susie Garcia, and she was the first patient in Kern County to die from the COVID-19 virus back in 2020. And here at the Delano Regional Medical Center, she took her last breath. Now, a year later, we are speaking with her family exclusively again about how their worlds have been changed since her death.
And that's how we keep her legacy alive. We continue to relive the good memories that she left us with.
It's the biggest part that we miss, like not having her there anymore, and not hearing her laugh or seeing her smile or hearing her talk.
She was the life of the party, a business owner, the light of the room. But her most treasured titles are sister, grandmother, and mother. Her name is Susie Garcia, but her loved ones simply called her Susie. Hector and Jessica Juarez, two of Susie's children, share she was their rock.
The past year has not been easy. It's been a rough path to live. It feels like every day we're reliving it. It's scary, and it's been an emotional roller coaster. I myself have gone through an emotional path as well, between grieving the loss of a loved one and just seeing the world collapse.
On March 27, 2020, at 2 a.m. at the Delano Regional Medical Center, Susie, who was just 52 years old, received another title. She became the first Kern County resident to die from COVID-19. During just a span of 10 days, her health deteriorated. She was then placed on a ventilator in ICU.
That last conversation I had with my mom was very difficult, because I told her that she needed to do this for us. She needed to be strong and let the doctors do their work for them to be able to cure her. And although she didn't want to, and she cried up into the last moments of me hearing her on the phone, that's the last memory I have of my mom, her crying and begging that not to be placed on a ventilator.
The siblings share that Susie had always triumphed over past health issues and say her COVID battle began with a simple cough.
She was just taken away from us out of nowhere. And that is what I would tell her, that I miss her. And just that I miss her more than anything in the world.
Now, a year later, the siblings say it all feels like a terrible dream.
Having to wake up to it every single day for a year, it's like living in a nightmare, to be quite honest with you, because for us, like, it happened, and it's like it kept happening over and over and over again every day.
Family says Susie's passing not only impacted her loved ones, but also many residents of Kern County. Hector says his mother now serves as a reminder to her children to take all precautions.
Still be precautious. Obviously, if we can get our vaccines, take the vaccine. I haven't got mine yet, but I am wanting to get it. I'm still in between, but I decided that I do want to get it just to protect myself, for my kids mainly.
Susie is now resting in the Delano North Kern Cemetery, surrounded by her favorite things, butterflies. As her family ensures, she's always remembered.
I love you, Mom, and I'll see you soon.
And Garcia's family says that although she's not physically here anymore, she will always live in their hearts forever. And they are encouraging everyone to take this virus seriously and consider getting vaccinated. In Delano, Lezla Gooden, 23 ABC News, connecting you.